Hello, this is an unboxing of Epson's new Moverio BT-40 smart glasses. These recently went on sale in the United States, although currently they seem to be on back order, but my unit just came in today and I figured we'd go through a quick unboxing. So opening the box, we just have some instructions and notices on top, and covering the next portion here, and a document CD. That might be useful if I still had a CD-ROM reader of some sort. I can't say that I do. Okay, so we have here an additional box containing presumably the smart glasses. Okay, yep. Alright, so that's the glasses themselves. Let's set them aside for just a moment. See what's in the extra little box here. Okay, so this is the sunglasses cover. Definitely more stylish than the previous generations that just had a little dimming visor of sorts. Okay, and that's it for the main box, so let's set that aside. So these connect via USB-C, and compared to the BT-300s, the control unit here looks to be a little bit larger. Okay. The cord itself, I'd say, is about probably a meter long. It's probably plenty for most applications, but you might need an extension to run with certain devices. Alright, and finally we have the glasses themselves. So style-wise, they're very similar to the BT-35s, I believe it was. The projector panels on the side look a little bit bigger than the previous ones, but that might just be at a glance. The field of view on these glasses is larger than the previous generation, and I think to achieve that they had to actually increase the size of the reflective region here. So the entire glass area here is a little bit bigger. Yeah, overall it looks like it has a nice form and fit to it. Let's plug it into a device and just see if I can get a shot through the lens. Might be a little hard to get focus. In fact, we might use that sunglass adapter to help us out. So this control unit has a 3.5mm port, much like the BT-300. However, there are no control buttons on it. I do know that there is, within the SDK, within the software development kit for the device, there are instructions for how you can adjust the volume, brightness, and all that from whatever device you have it hooked up to. Alright, so I have it hooked up to a Samsung device, so it's currently going to be running in DeX mode. And let's see if I can get this to focus. Alright, that's pretty good. So that's Samsung DeX. And I can use my device here as a trackpad if I need to. Okay. Just dismiss that. So compared to the previous generation, this device is a 1080p projector, dual. It is capable of going into a 3D side-by-side mode, I believe that splits the video resolution though in the process. Still struggling a little bit with getting the camera to focus on this. Let me see if I can improve that a little bit. Might just be what it is. Okay. Alright, and then let's attach the sunglasses visor real quick. That might actually help the camera focus. And these look like they just slide on right from the front. Oh, they're magnetic. Nice. Okay, so try that one more time. Nice. Okay, so yes, now that increases the contrast quite a bit. That's about it. That's the Moverio BT-40 smart glasses. I'll try to do some kind of mini review impressions soon. Thanks for watching.